everyone. So you've just filed for bankruptcy. Now what? If you're wondering how to monitor what is being filed in your case, you're in the right place. I'm Martha Warrener, a California bankruptcy attorney with over 40 years experience. If you want to know whether your discharge has been entered or someone told you to check PACER and you have no idea what that is, stick around because I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know. First, PACER is an acronym that stands for Public Access to Court Electronic Records. For bankruptcy debtors, it is useful for two things. First, you can monitor everything filed in your case. Second, you can file documents electronically. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your account and navigate the system. If you want to keep track of your case and the pleadings being filed, and you do not have an attorney, you should set up a PACER account. Go directly to pacer.login.uscourts.gov or access it through your local bankruptcy court's website. Click Register for a PACER account and follow the instructions for non-attorney filers. When you register, you will click Need an Account and fill out the required information. For select user type, choose Individual. Then set up a username and a password. Be sure to write it down because you'll need to use it again. If you run into problems when you try to do this, you can call the PACER Service Center at 800-676-6856 or email pacer@psc.uscourts.gov. You'll need a credit or debit card to pay for downloading documents. If you're a Chapter 7 debtor, hopefully you have a debit card. If not, ask a friend to help. The good news is that documents cost only 10 cents per page, capped at $3 per document. And the fees are waived if you spend less than $30 per quarter. Most people never have to pay anything. Once your account is set up, log in through your bankruptcy court's website and click on Case Locator. You will see a menu with headings like Bankruptcy, Adversary, Query, Reports, and so on. To find your docket, click on Reports and choose Docket Report from the drop-down menu. Enter your case number. That's the one that is on your notice of bankruptcy filing. Make sure that the date range covers what you need. Choose whether you want oldest or newest documents first and run the report. You're going to see a list of filings with docket numbers, dates, and descriptions. Click any docket number to view and download the document. If you filed without an attorney and need to file something yourself, many courts have an electronic self-representation system. I'm going to cover that in another YouTube video. When you're filing, go on to PACER, click Bankruptcy, and choose the pleading type that matches what you're filing. Enter your case number and follow the steps. When uploading your document, always open it first to make sure it's the correct version. Redact any sensitive information before filing. When you click Next on the final screen, your document is officially filed and you will see a conformed copy with the filing date and the docket number that you can download for your records. It's a good practice to do what they call flattening your document before you file it. You can do this by going to the Print menu, and instead of printing it to your printer, click on adobe.pdf. Then it's ready to file. Okay, I think that covers everything you need to know to set up a PACER account. This is where you'll go to see if your discharge has been entered. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and is not legal advice. Every situation is unique, so please consult with a qualified bankruptcy attorney in your area for guidance specific to your particular circumstances. If you're considering bankruptcy or simply want some clarity on your options, you can schedule a free half-hour consultation with me by calling me at 760-409-7705 or emailing me at martha@bankruptcysage.com. You'll also find my contact information and other links in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.